Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Sony vinyl record player to show you. The model number of it is PS-LX250H. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact. Do you know when records first became a thing? It was in 1889, so they've been around for a very long time, and for a very long period of time they did own the format of audio, basically. But if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So this thing was manufactured in March of 2003, and to get it all wired up, all you have to do is plug in this red and white cable that is connected to it into your sound system. So on the front panel of it, you have 4 different options. You have your speed adjustment, you can set it to 33 or 45, and then you have start, stop, and up and down. That'll bring the stylus up and down. So let's go ahead and put a record in and see how it works. So you just set it in there, and then you go ahead and push start, and then it will automatically do all the rest for you. And then right here you have your size select. You can set it to 17 or 30. So it's really easy to function. It's just basically a play and stop button. And they also make it pretty easy to replace the stylus. They even give you instructions right here. So that's pretty much all there is for this Sony record player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.